I'm gonna get in a little entanglement looking like this. Tell me how you feeling. I ain't feeling the way I'm feeling about you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I am doing a full get ready with me makeup, hair. I haven't done like a full get ready with me in so long, so today I'm going to do that for you guys. And also today's video is in collaboration with Luisa. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And honestly, guys, I was already like purchasing and interested in this brand way before they reached out to me, because I already loved what this brand stood for. One, they stand for quality, sustainability, and the price is bomb. Like, you get great quality pieces for a great price. If you guys didn't know, Ana Luisa does come from the same jewelers as Tiffany and Louis Vuitton. As you guys know, they expensive, you know what I'm saying? So they use 100% recycled gold and silver, and honestly, that is amazing. So it's like, it just made me really want to support them. So I did purchase some products with my own money, and then I will show you guys the pieces that are gifted from me. So firstly, this piece right here. So with this necklace, I feel like it is an everyday piece for me, but it can also be worn for like a date night. So like today I'm actually going out with Aaron, and like we probably will get something to eat, but we're going like shopping a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Nice little quarantine date. Their pieces are all versatile, which I love, because I don't ever want to spend money on something that I can't wear if I'm dressing up or if I'm dressing down for like an everyday look. And then I also have on this ring, and you know, I sized down because I wanted like a pinky ring, or either a thumb ring, but it fit my pinky, and I love it. I got these two pieces from them. And then I also got this piece called the Vita V necklace, which is more of a dainty piece. I would probably more so wear that with a dress. And then I also got the CZ hoop earrings. Now when I first got these, I got it because I wanted to put it in this piercing, but I just couldn't get this daggone thing off. But I really like how it looks. I mean, it even looks good in my ears too, but I do feel like that would be cute for either this type of outfit where it's like chill, casual, cute, or more of a dressed up look. But yeah, those are the pieces that I got from them. Definitely check out the description box below, because I do have a discount code for y'all. It's litty. And yeah, let's get straight into this video, girl. All right, so I'm about to just do something really simple with my hair because it desperately needs to be washed right now, and you know, I just don't feel like it. You know, we just want to do a little sleek bang. If y'all haven't seen that, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and watch that, because in this video I'm not really going to like go into depth with how I do it, but I'll leave like all the products I use in my description box for you guys. Per usual, I always do that. I feel like I haven't done a get ready with me in like so long. This is kind of weird. Today I'm using the Design Essentials edge tamer, the honey and shade edge tamer. This is for, it claims to be for natural hair, so we gonna see. It's not that I don't want you here. Now for the edges. The edges are my favorite part. I've actually been laying my edges lately instead of like baby hair, but I just feel like, you know, this is a little bit more grown and like really my edges. My mom was like, you do not have baby hairs. And I'm like, but I do. But I do. But I really don't. That's just crazy. Girl, bare edges. Yes, okay. Okay, Design Essentials. Super like excited to like be doing my makeup with y'all today. I hope you're doing your makeup either like you're getting ready for work or doing whatever, or if you just, you know, trying to see what new makeup I'm using, because I am using new makeup. So this is a really cute packaging of the product. This is the all-nighter face primer. Like, ain't that so cute? Like, it's just so cute. This is a long wear foundation grip. And this girl named Morgan, who was one of my followers. Hey Morgan, if you're watching this. She recommended this product to me because I don't want to get the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip anymore. So yeah, she also recommended to use like a little powder, dust a little bit of powder on my face. But the heat, girl, has just been so crazy in daggone Maryland. I'm just not used to it because I really haven't been trying to wear a lot of makeup. Only because, I mean, we've been in quarantine. Like, in the beginning, I was wearing makeup. I was doing, like, you know, makeup videos and all that. And then I said, let me just give myself a break and give my skin a break and just... So, I've just been embracing, you know, my natural beauty. And ain't nothing wrong with it. But now I'm about to go in with the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. This has sunscreen and it has SPF 15. But now I'm just mixing in a little bit of the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. And this actually has SPF 30 in it, which is why I did not put sunscreen on. Like I said, usually I go in with the FENTY sunscreen, but I don't need to when these things got sunscreen in it for me. Dang it, y'all supposed to let me know. I was just talking about how Morgan, like, she helped me and all that stuff, and now I done forgot to put the daggone powder on my face before, but it's okay. So now I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty, and then I'm just going to blend this out. And today's, I'm using a damp beauty sponge, which I haven't used in like a year. And then I just put a little bit on my forehead. I don't really like to put the concealer up there because I noticed that it would just make a really harsh line. It looked like a rainbow, low-key. I just didn't like that. It looked kind of weird. My freaking edges are giving me such a hard time today. Now I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out, whatever that joint is called. Isn't Cheeks Out something? Yeah, Cheeks Out Freestyle, whatever collection. And I'm just like popping this right on my cheeks. Okay, and today I'm actually going to take the Laura Mercier. This is a new shade from Laura Mercier. This is the shade in Honey. And I'm going to set my eyes with this. I've never used this before. This is my first time using it. I'm just gonna go in and set my under eyes and everywhere on my face. Oh, it's a little too bright for me. Oh, no. Let me take a little bit of my banana shade from Sacha Buttercup because it's a little too bright. That is better. So now I'm looking a little too pasty, like, yikes. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Y'all know how I do. We love Miss Vree. I don't need to be looking like Casper, like Casper's cousin. We don't need none of that. I'm trying to multitask and watch my girl Jay. She just came out with a new video. Well, she just posted her new video, so I'm watching that too. So now I'm gonna kind of reverse contour. Reverse highlight, reverse contour. What the heck is it called? I can't even remember right now. But I'm gonna take some of the Laura Mercier powder and go underneath of where I place my contour. Set up here a little bit as well. And right here. Oh, I'm not mad at it. Ooh. So I've been doing my brows a little different. Since I got brow lamination, it actually made my brows look fuller, which I really love. So I take a little bit of my, this is the brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use a brush, an eyebrow brush, and just kind of go like this. I mean, I don't know if y'all notice. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know my brow game has like definitely changed a lot. So, I don't know. Let me know if y'all like how it looks now or if you like how it looked before. I forgot to tell y'all. So, I've been using the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel on my brows too. I don't know if it's helping with like my brow growth, but I just like it to put my brows in place. So I usually just take a lot of the bronzer and just go ahead and pack it right on my outer corner. And this kind of makes my eyes look bigger, especially when I put those lashes on from ABH. Girl, my eyes just look like very doll-like. I freaking love it. So to complete the eye look, I'm going to go in with the Balm Schwing eyeliner. I can't even open it. But yeah, I just create a little tiny line, like a tight line on my eyelashes, and then I just go in with my mascara. And then also during this part, I just create my little like beauty mark. And then I do create some faux ones too, because like sometimes I get little breakouts. Now I be getting a lot of questions about how I do my bottom lashes, and literally, girl, all I do is clunk up my lashes. Like I'll go like this, then I take the tip of it and I clump them together, like, and I just keep doing that until I get like the desired look I want. But pretty much I'm clumping my lashes together. Get your lashes tacky, ladies. Oh yes, baby. I'm gonna get in a little entanglement, looking like this. Not like this, but like this. Oh yes. And always to like ensure that the lashes ain't going anywhere, I always like kind of press the last, what am I saying? I always like press, I obviously can't talk today. I press the daggone lash together, y'all, so it don't go nowhere. Next, and almost the last step, I just take a little bit of my favorite illuminator. This is from Laura Mercier, y'all. This freaking illuminator is the best highlight and like glow I've ever seen. It's not giving too much, but it's like just enough. Like, come on. This lash is blowing me. I don't know why. It's just like, and then I'm gonna spray my face with this.
2 hours later.
And that is it. I'll definitely put some pictures on Instagram, and then also I forgot to tell you guys what's on my lip. This is just regular lip gloss. This is the Pink Mint from Bath and Body Works. I love this daggone lip gloss because it gives like the slightest tint to my lip. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to check my description box so you guys can shop with Anna Luisa. I do have a discount code in the description box for you as well. So if you liked any of the pieces that I showed you guys, like this ring or my favorite necklace ever, this necklace is so freaking pretty. But yeah, you guys, there will be a link in the description box below for you guys to check out. Subscribe to my channel, and that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.